Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one, the only Costco. We're going to be talking about why it's historically beaten the S&P this past year and why it's up 4.5% in a single day. So what on earth is going on with Costco? And we're going to be talking about, should you buy this stock? So guys, hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to check out my brand new swing trading course where we talk about how I find stock, my strategy, my mindset on swing trading and trading in the stock market, I'll put it down below. We're doing a Black Friday sale for this month only, and check it out down below. So guys, what is going on with Costco? Well, as we zoom out, you guys will see that Costco has had an amazing year, right? Lows at $444, highs at $642, beating the S&P, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, all that good stuff. And one of the reasons why this is so crazy, especially for me, is because looking at other companies in that retail sector like Walmart this past year hasn't been doing really good. You guys will see it hit 169 and got absolutely annihilated all the way down to 150. Looking at another retail store, Target, you guys will see not doing too good, right? We've seen so much sell-off. So looking at a company like Costco, what are they doing? Why are they, getting bought up? So let's look at some things going on. So recently, Costco announced an earnings report. So this is when the company comes out and they give you all the details about the stock and the company. And you guys will see the revenue has been increasing every single quarter, which is always a good indication that one, this is going to continue. Two, investors love this, especially during times like this with high inflation, high interest rates, and people aren't spending like they used to. It's nice to see Costco doing really well on the revenue side. Another reason is Costco announced a special dividend, which is incredible, meaning all the shares you have, you guys will get like $15, which is awesome. So this is going to cause more investors to actually buy this up. Costco historically has done this about every 7 years, which is really nice to see. Another reason why we're getting a lot of buying pressure, you guys will see the cash flows up 78%, which is always a good indication for future growth. So pretty much if Costco ever goes through a hard time, they have good cash flow coming in that they can use to, grow the business, reinvest in it. And another reason why I love Costco is because Costco employees are always rated one of the happiest employees in the United States. Now, that's super important. We always hear that companies that pay their employees right, treat them right, they're going to have more revenue because the employees actually care. So I definitely think that this is a really strong indication of Costco's future. Now, answering that main question of is now the best time to invest in it? Well, looking at something, that's in my opinion is relatively important. You guys will see as we scroll down here, this right here is a indicator to determine, if a stock is overbought, oversold, pretty much overvalued or undervalued. Now, looking at it, you guys will see that there is a sell-off warning. Now, the reason why is because we've seen so much momentum. The stock in the matter of, pretty much 1-2 months has gone from $546 all the way up to about $642, about $100 of stock value in a single month, which is incredible. It's absolutely fantastic, but that growth can't last forever. And so with that being said, I do think Costco carries a ton of potential, but I do think we should get some temporary sell-off back down to, in my opinion, where we'll see it and where I would like to hop in is near and around this old resistance at about 573. This is going to be near and around the 90 moving average line, which has tendencies of acting as, support. So that's where I would love to hop in if I was going to do a one lump sum investment right here. Another good strategy, in my opinion, would be to dollar cost average Costco. If you guys believe in long-term growth, if you guys believe in dividend reinvesting, all that stuff. But for me, as a trader, I would look near and around this 573 mark. But for a long-term investor, I think dollar cost averaging would be a great approach where you guys could buy shares and just invest, not worry about it. Costco is a great company. They have great revenues, great cash on hand, great fundamentals, and I'm very, very excited to see where they go in the future, guys. So hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next. Take care.